Good morning, everybody. A little different than where I'm normally at. That's because of my new workout plan. Some of you probably already saw it, but I was getting kind of bored riding the bicycle every day. So a friend of mine a couple years ago gave me a exercise cycle that I've never used. So I park it in front of the TV. I turn on Gran Turismo and I race. And as long as I'm pedaling, I'm racing. So it keeps my mind off of pedaling. And I knocked out like 8 miles today, which I normally ride in 6 miles. I did, the first night I did like 12 miles. So I'm getting the same thing done, just doing other stuff at the same time. Now I'm just mad that I didn't think of this back last like October, November. But now I know. Now I know the best way to work out every morning. Get out, hop on the bike, turn on Gran Turismo or whatever, a TV show, whatever, and kill 2 birds, 1 stone. Anywho, it's Saturday and we have like 1,500 poos to label. So I have a feeling that's what we're going to be doing all day today. Getting ready to leave. Tuesday, I think. Anyway, it's time for coffee. We'll see you in a bit. All right, y'all, we're here meeting our dealer. We're here to pick up some t-shirts. Our t-shirt dealer is here. Yes. Anyway.
Lee with Brand 1 Ink out of Cape Coral.
In Cape Coral. They print them, but they live up here, so she brings them up to us, so we don't have to drive an hour there and an hour back.
She also does the work shirts for
Harley Davidson here.
Birds, Black Widow, and Barracuda. So
they do shirts and stuff for a lot of people, but it's awesome that they're here. So we're meeting them here to pick up our shirts. And it looks like there's a Corvette show going on.
Yeah,
so
you guys want to see some cool
I'm gonna go over and take a look at the Corvettes as soon as I pick up my shirts. So stay tuned. I'll show you the shirts here in a little bit and some Corvettes. All right, it is Saturday morning at Bretz. See all the bikes. Look, it's Jan. What's up, Jan? Let's go check out the Corvettes. How are you? We're gonna go check out the Corvettes. Mama Badger's going with Lee to do something else. Hey, what's up? I honestly have no idea who that was, but he said hey. Anyway, let's go over here to check out some Corvettes. Corvettes at the Harley dealership. How do you beat that? That's not a Corvette, but it's kind of cool. Here we go. Now we're getting into some cars. Check these cars out. Thunderbirds. Thunderbirds on one side, Corvettes on the other. We'll go to the Corvettes here in a minute. I like that one. This one's got flames on it. Ghost flames. It's got a boo-boo too. There's the Ford side, although one made it over here too, a Mustang. Check out the Vets. Very cool, 1958. That one's pretty cool too. Like that one. There you go. Car show at Bretz. Off to the next destination. Mama Badger's out in my garage. What do you think she is doing? Speak. What you doing?
Playing with stickers.
Playing with stickers? Are you sticking stickers?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Well, these are the stickers that when we travel.
Uh-huh.
Go places.
Like Custer State Park and Back of the Dragon and VAMM 21.
Everglades, Iron Mountain Road.
Iron Mountain Road. That's my favorite road.
I haven't collected a lot of them, but some of them, you know, I just get the itch
I got you.
to have them. This one's Maggie's Diner when we did Route 66 in New Mexico.
So where are you putting that at?
I'm gonna stick it over here.
Sticking it over there?
Yeah.
All right.
Place it kind of thing. Anybody else collect stickers and put them on the windshield like I do? It's different from the saddlebags.
Right.
My saddlebags are stickers from other
people.
Yeah, people, content creators, businesses, signatures, all you guys as we travel, which it's almost full. I mean, I've only got one little section really.
Yep.
So I might have to get new saddlebags.
Is that what you're going to do? Get new
Next
saddlebags?
Maybe. I don't know yet.
All right.
I'm a woman. Changed my mind a million times.
Ain't that the fucking truth? All right. The moment is here. The new shirts. Mama Badger's got the box open.
Ta-da! They look good. And they're soft. Thank goodness.
Let's see the back.
I hate those itchy, scratchy shirts. These are nice, soft shirts. I'm like, soft shirts, please.
There you go.
They may wear easily, but they're nice. When you wear them, you like them.
Right.
So, anyways, the poop looks good. I mean, he's a good color. He's shaded, you know, got some different coloring in there. Let's see how the placement is across the boobs here. Yeah. I don't know what size this is.
Makes your boob look crappy.
There it is, right? Like, it's like perfect.
There it is.
Right. Not on purpose.
All right, guys, that is the new shirts. Now, all of these will be given away. That's the plan with them, right? And there are some for me and some for Angie.
Yeah, I have to wear, but yep, they're the giveaways.
But we will have them on the website soon where you can get your own. And all of the profit goes to the Wrecked Rider Fund. So if you guys want them.
Yeah, he gave me more work to do. Yes, it'll be on the website. So if you guys are watching this video, there will be a link in the description because I'm going to make him put the description link in there, whatever. And you guys can go get shirts if you want one. And of course, the proceeds go to the Wrecked Rider Fund.
There you have it. Straight from the horse's mouth.
Did you just call me a horse?
I did, Mrs. Ed.
What the heck? Oh, I kicked the cat. And my head's in the the poker chips.
I'm knocking shit off my desk. So last year, when we did Route 66 and went through Death Valley, it was 127 degrees. So you can see Mom's hand grip here. See that? Well, I actually replaced this one. I'm going to replace that one, but not till we get back from this trip. Just a little more work to that one, and I don't really have time. But here's the old one. Can you see how it's all melted? The sun did a number on that rubber. And that, boys and girls, is what 127 degrees will do to your rubber hand grip. All right, y'all, that is a wrap. Saturday is in the books. But what are we working on tonight? We still haven't put our stickers on our poop yet, so I'm guessing that's a tomorrow thing. But Mama's got a whole table full of stuff. What you got, Mama? Stuff? What kind of stuff? What kind of stuff you got?
Well, how much detail do you want me to give you?
Some detail's good. What do we got? I see poker chips.
Poker chips, which we had left over from when we took the cruise.
Okay.
Nice cruise, so we'll be taking them on the cruise too. But I want to give those out to anybody that wants them. They're free. If anybody wants to buy bells when we're on the
Support Bikers Gremlin Bell.
Bells. We'll have patches, patches for you
Patches.
guys
$10 patches.
to pick up.
Banners.
Stickers. Oh yeah, banners. You guys.
See banners there.
Banners.
If you guys have seen the banners where people are holding them out that say Badger Nation, that's what those are. They're $5 if you see us and you want one. Our support biker
stickers, and then we made up for each state a business card that has the QR code that goes specifically to that Facebook group. So easily people can just scan them and join the group if they haven't joined the group already. And they've got our sponsors information on the front of it. Yeah, so those for each state. So I'm going through and picking out the states we're going to be traveling through this time. And then a lot of times when we go to Arkansas, we'll have people that are coming from Kansas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, Missouri. So I've got those cards as well, so I can pass them out. But of course, as you guys know, I mean, the whole idea of this is to spread word about support bikers.
We got raffle tickets.
Yes, raffle tickets. We'll be doing that over the weekend.
We got armbands.
Those are not going with me. None of this is going with us.
Yeah, we still got them. Armbands will be in Sturgis,
this is
right?
The go back in the room pile. This is the take with me pile. When we get to Alabama, I'm excited. We got lots of stuff to give away from the Vance law firm. Of course, they've got the shirts, which they have really cool shirts. They've got, well, they also sponsor Paul Sr. with Orange County Chopper, so that's the bike that he had made specifically for the firm.
In case you want to work out like 80s, 90s style. We got that.
A bunch of Rever stickers, as you guys know.
We do a lot of stuff on Rever.
Well, Rever has, you can go on Rever and do your support bikers community. You can find all the states are in there.
Some pucks.
Yep.
Koozies.
Koozies. I love my koozies. My whole cabinet up there is full of koozies. So yeah.
So not only do we pack to live on the road for all this time, we pack all this extra swag to give away while we're on the road.
And I try to condense it all down as much as possible. And that bag right there has a lot of it in there.
Yeah, we usually have this bag just full of swag and
stuff.
stuff.
Show the trophy or not?
I'll leave that up to you. You make the call. What do you want to do? You want to save it for a secret, or you want to see the trophy we had made for the poker run in
the Hog
Arkansas?
Wild poker run in Eureka Springs during spring fling, which is on Saturday. For the person that loses, because they got a shitty hand, well, they get a shitty trophy too. I'm excited about this. Because I think I've got the worst hand I've gotten when we went one time. The furthest traveled. So yeah, you gotta so those can stay and see if you got the shitty hand, because a lot of people leave before because they don't know, and so you can get a shitty trophy. So.
Anyway, so that's a wrap for Saturday. Tomorrow morning we get up, and I guess we're going to do my birthday celebration tomorrow with the girls, since I won't be here. So that's what our plan is. There's Miss Honey. She knows we're leaving. She has not left my side all day. Like everywhere I go, she just follows along.
It's like I know she knows exactly what's going on. She's been acting so weird.
She has been all over us all day. But anyway, animals know, right? That's it. The end. We'll see you tomorrow.